welcome you to watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Mass of Thanksgiving of the two new Salesian archbishops was held on the morning of Sunday, 21st April at the Basilica of the Sacred Heart of Jesus in Rome, presided over by Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime and with the homily given by Archbishop Giornardo Piccinotti. Numerous Salesian cardinals, bishops, members of the General Council, Salesians, representatives of the Salesian family and special guests attended the celebration. For his part, the vicar of the Rector Major, Father Stefano Martoglio, gave a warm welcome to the two new Salesian archbishops, expressing his best wishes and his prayer with the certainty that Don Bosco will accompany and bless these two sons in their mission. In which we'll see Paris as host of the Olympics, the opportunity was taken to raise awareness among young people about sport, so dear to Don Bosco and at the center of Salesian pedagogy. In the Department of Alta Liore, the Don Bosco network has mobilized to offer an Olympic Day to 330 students from 7 Catholic schools. The Saint Regis Saint Michael Don Bosco School and the La Sos Don Bosco School, both directed by Aureli Alcaraz, were the main protagonists of a sports day during which 20 Olympic and Paralympic sports workshops were held, 10 events led by the Departmental Olympic and Sports Committee CDOS, and 10 led by teachers from the St. Regis St. Michael School. Events at the famous international tournament of the Roland Garros as part of the Paralympics. The Salesian Mary Help of Christians Vice Province of Mozambique MOZ celebrated its provincial chapter from 15 to 20th of April, involving 16 chapter members. The event took place at the Casa Don Bosco in Maputo and was led by the moderator Father Antonio Francisco, focusing on the 3 core areas of the GC29. During the meeting, other reflections were also included on the provincial directory, the overall provincial plan and the Salesian educative and pastoral plan. The Formation Sector for the Salesian Province of Vietnam organized the annual formation program for Salesians in their quinquennium held from 15 to 19th of April at the Salesian Retreat Center in Shillong in the presence of Father Barnabas Lee An Phong, Provincial, and Father Joseph Du Duc Dung, Provincial Delegate for Formation. The theme chosen for this year was Practical Spiritual Accompaniment, shared by Father Michael Turong Than Tung, S.J. The course was divided into 3 parts. In the first, the concepts, characteristics, and basis of the spiritual life were illustrated, and the peculiarities of spiritual accompaniment were examined. Our vocation is not for survival, but it is a call of the Spirit to be alive and to meet the challenges of today's world. With a quote from Pope Francis, Father Jose Thomas Koyekal, Superior of the Sacred Heart Province of Bangalore, India, INK, officially opened the 16th chapter of the INK province on Sunday, 21st April at the Christu Jyoti College in Bangalore. He then spoke of the provincial chapter as a sacred upper room, a space in which the Salesians gather as brothers and look to the future together. During the opening service, other local leaders of the Salesian family also expressed their congratulations and urged the Salesians to march towards greater fidelity to the call and prophetic understanding of the mission. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.